If you are overwhelmed with your home and you're ready to start the Clean Mama cleaning routine, but you have no idea where to begin, this is the video for you. Hey friends, it's Betsy from the Flourishing place where we talk about all things cleaning, organizing, decluttering, homekeeping, and today we're talking all about how to get started with the Clean Mama cleaning routine. Let's get right into it. First off, what is the Clean Mama cleaning routine? A proven method for keeping your home clean, organized, and beautiful in just 10 minutes a day. Now, I would beg to differ a little bit on the 10 minutes.
I think it'll take you a little bit longer than that.
Clean Mama is a system that is made up of 5 daily tasks, 5 weekly tasks, and then a list of rotating tasks that are done on a monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly basis. Now, before you say, that sounds really complicated, I started this cleaning routine when I had 2 kids, 18 months apart, both of them still in diapers. The key is to start with the basics and then add in things as you're able. Number 2, how do you get started? When I first started, both my energy and my motivation were low. So I started with the 5 daily tasks. Make the beds, check the floors, check the counters, declutter, and do 1 load of laundry. Next, I built up to the 5 weekly tasks: cleaning the bathrooms, dusting, vacuuming, washing the floors, laundering sheets and towels. Now, these are the backbone of the routine. If you can get under your belt the 5 daily tasks and the 5 weekly tasks, you will be well on your way to having a home that is clean and tidy most of the time. This is coming from somebody who does not love to clean and someone who pretty much every single week does not execute the routine perfectly. And I'll be honest, I'm still working on incorporating the list of rotating tasks faithfully. You know, the ones that are monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly. I do not do a great job with those. But I will tell you, even with falling down on the job with the rotating tasks, my house still stays generally clean and tidy most of the time, just keeping up with the daily tasks and the weekly tasks. So this is a no pressure routine. There is plenty of cushion if you fall behind. If you skip something for a week and you have to come back to it the next week, it is no big deal. Question number 3, what do I need to get started? Well, you could start with following Clean Mama on her Instagram. She has a great Instagram, or you can go to her website and get subscribed to her newsletter. But this is where I would suggest starting. This book. This is, I would say, the definitive guide to the Clean Mama cleaning routine. You can buy it off Amazon, you can buy it from your local bookstore, you can buy it used, you can check it out from the library. This book has everything that you need to not only get going with this routine, but it answers all kinds of nitty-gritty questions in terms of how do you clean particular things, and what if I want to make some basic all-natural cleaning recipes. All of it is in here, so this book is fantastic. Do you need any special cleaning products or gadgets? The answer is a resounding no. In fact, I found it easy to pare down the supplies I have because I have the routine down pat and I know exactly what I need to use week in and week out to get the house clean. Do you want to know what I use? Do you need a special planner? No, you do not. Clean Mama offers a lot of different products on her website, including a planner, and I'll be honest, they're not super budget friendly. This planner was just under $60, and while it's really beautiful and it has tons of great stuff in it, I can confidently say that you don't need this to carry out the Clean Mama cleaning routine successfully. If you're ready to jump into this cleaning routine, drop a comment below. I would love to cheer you on. Keeping the house clean is no picnic, especially when you have small kids. This routine has helped me tremendously, and maybe it can do the same for you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.